This is the Tronsmart IPX7 Splash 1 wireless portable speaker. Thank you TechSmart Philippines for sponsoring this video. Make sure to catch them on their social media sites and of course Lazada's biggest one-day sale on 11/11. Get a voucher discount on my comment section. Proceeding with the unboxing, we can see that there's the speaker, the manual where you can see how to control the speaker, and inside another box we have the 3.5mm jack and of course a Type-C cable. I actually have a crazy idea in testing out its waterproof rating. I went to our condo and dipped it in the swimming pool. Yeah, that's right. This is an outdoor speaker, so you don't need to worry about getting this device wet. With its promising 15-watt output, 24 hours playtime, and 18 meters range, and of course 2 hours of charging, you don't have to worry. Make sure to follow TechSmart on their social media and of course, link in my bio. Bye guys!